Talking about what works. So far, everything. I just had a little bit of an issue with the internet that was coming in and out. But look at the mini bar. Hello from Ireland chocolate bar. The food of Anthony Ray, a granola bar. And Joe Farm crisp, mixed potato crisps. And enjoy your mini bar with our compliments. Unlike other places, I already shared the welcoming message and the welcoming plate. So here, look at the beautiful chocolate. Although I prefer a bit darker chocolate. Here you have a Irish oat granola bar, fully loaded. I like the idea that these are all local products. And here is the crisps. Also in a nice packaging. Well, everything is just nice here. All those small touches are perfect.